Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss Unit 1, Pharmacognosy 1, which includes Introduction to Pharmacognosy, Classification of Drugs, and Quality Control of Drugs of Natural Origin. So let's begin. Question is, Dash is a branch of bioscience dealing with medicinal and related products of crude or primary type and obtained from plants, animals, and mineral origin. So the answer is pharmacognosy. The next question is, Dash branch studies the traditional use of plants for medicinal use. Medical ethnobotany. The next question is, Dash branch studies the pharmacological properties of traditional medicinal substances. Ethnopharmacology. The next question is, Dash includes the study of medicinal use of plant extracts. Phytotherapy. The next question is, Dash branch studies the chemicals obtained from plants. Phytochemistry. The next question is, Dash branch studies the interaction between the herbs and other drugs and body. Herbal interaction. The next question is, Dash branch includes the study of chemicals obtained from marine organisms. Marine pharmacognosy. The next question is, who was the first pharmacist? Galen. The next question is, Dash had used many materials for relieving pain. Galen. The question is, Dash made some major attempts like developing mineral salts having the potential of being universal curative agents. The answer is Paracelsus. The next question is, Dash wrote the oldest herbal document, Shenong. The next question is, Dash divided medicinal plants into 50 groups, 10 herbs in each for particular illness. Charak. The next question is, Ayurveda came up with the well-known treatise Chakra Samhita and Dash Samhita, Sushruta. The next question is, while studying sarsaparilla, Dash in 1815 coined the term pharmacognosy, Sedler. The next question is, binomial system was given by Sweet Linnaeus. The next question is, in 1865, Dash published a Anatomical Atlas of Crude Drugs, Berg. The next question is, Dash isolated penicillin in 1928, William Fleming. The next question is, potassium chloride and lithium carbonate are derived from mineral sources. The next question is, attenuated or killed cultures of bacteria and virus, diphtheria, polio, tetanus, typhoid, hepatitis B vaccines, etc. are obtained from microbial sources. The next question is, gelatin, cantharides, shellac, musk, and medicinal leaves are obtained from sources. The next question is, thyroid glands of Dash and Dash are used to obtain modified preparation of thyroxine and liothyronine. The answer is sheep and pigs. The next question is, the source of vasopressin is in the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland of healthy Dash and Dash, cattle and pigs. The next question is, commercially, Dash is obtained from the glandular layer of the stomach of the pigs. Answer is pepsin. The next question is, pancreatin contains pancreatic enzymes as it is prepared using pancreas of the pigs. The next question is, some microorganisms produce Dash which is present in the heads of leech, in snake venom, and in mammalian testes. The answer is hyaluronisate. The next question is, Dash vaccines are dried living culture of Mycobacterium tuberculosis wax bovis strain, BCG. The next question is, Dash act as a potent cardiac stimulant which directly stimulates mammalian myocardium just like adrenaline, eptatretine. The next question is, Dash is a basic amino acid compound with hypotensive effects and is obtained from marine algae. laminin. The next question is dash is obtained from butter clams and produce hypotensive effect. Saxitoxin. The next question is autonomium is obtained from dash and has an isosteric structure of adenine and acetylcholine. Virongia fistularis. The next question is dash is a polypeptide found in sea anemones. ATH2. The next question is spongocene is a methoxy derivative of adenosine obtained from extract of Cryptotheria crypta. The next question is dash is therapeutically employed for treating acute myelogenous leukemia and human acute leukemia. Era C. The next question is creatine acetate is obtained from dash and shows in vitro cytotoxic effect to human leukemic and 1HLA cells. Caribbean gorgonian. The next question is 2-cyano-4,5-dibromopyrrole is an antimicrobial compound obtained from Aegaris oreoides. The next question is D-bromolaurenterol is an antimicrobial compound obtained from sea hare. The next question is 3,5-dibromo-4-hydroxybenzene 1-acetamide is an antibiotic substance obtained from Virongia archery. The next question is dash is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory compound which is obtained from Leuphorella variabilis. Monolith. The next question is dash is obtained from Gambier discus toxicus and denotes an ailment arising due to ingestion of marine snails. Ciguatoxin. Next question is Eplisynopsis is obtained from dash and shows antidepressant action in animals and is also cytotoxic in nature. Yellow sponge. The next question is dash has a continuous phase of aqueous solution consisting of mineral salts, protein, sugar, tannins, alkaloids, etc., while the suspended phase consists of oil droplets, resins, gum, protein, starch, etc. Dried latex. The next question is example of extracts obtained from plant origin are agar, catechu, sodium alginate. So the answer is all of the above. Next question is artificial gum prepared from starch is different from gums as they get converted into dextrose by the action of dilute mineral acids. The next question is dash are naturally occurring mixtures of volatile oils and resins, hence are liquids or semi-liquids in nature. Oleoresins. The next question is dash is an example of oleogum resin, Asafoetida. The next question is an example of dash is resin from Convolvulacea being found in Ipomia, Jalap and Podophyllus. Glycyrrhizin. Is United States Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmaceutical Codex arrange the drugs in an alphabetical order of their English names. The next question is which system of drug classification lacks relationship with the previous and successive drug entries? Alphabetical. The next question is in dash classification system the arrangement of true drug is done according to plant parts in use like root, stem, leaves, bark, flower, fruit, seeds, etc. So the answer is morphological. The next question is dash drugs are obtained directly from the plant parts and contain cellular tissues. Crude drugs. The next question is male fern, valerianum, rhubarb, podophyllum, licorice, turmeric, ginger and colchicum corn are obtained from which part? So the answer is rhizomes. The next question is ergot, ephedra, chirat, sanpushpi, lobelia are obtained from which part of the plant? Entire plant. The next question is dash drugs do not contain any cellular plant tissues. So the answer is unorganized. The next question is acacia, sterculia and tragacanth are gums. The next question is ammoniacum, asafoetida, galbanum and myrrh are gum resins. Question is, in which system of drug classification the chemical constituents have no correlation with the therapeutic actions? Morphological. The next question is, in dash classification system the crude drug are classified their kingdom, subkingdom, division, class, order, family, genus and species. Taxonomical. The next question is, dash includes angiospermia plants which give rise to flowers and gymnospermia plants which do not produce flowers. Class. The next question is, dash includes an intermediate classification category of related plant families classified in order of their inherent differences from a common ancestor. Superorder. The next question is, order is further categorized into family. The next question is, the names of subfamilies end with the suffix oda. The next question is, dash group of plants have smaller botanical differences. Tribe. Next question is, dash denotes a plant which is slightly different from a particular species of that plant. Variety. The next question is, dash denotes a plant within a species having minor botanical difference like color of flower or shape of the leaf. Form. The next question is, dash classification system is preferred because the pharmacological and therapeutic activity of crude drugs depend on the nature of chemical constituents present. Chemical. Next question is, myrobalan, pale catechu and ashoka are tannins. The next question is, acacia, agar, guar gum, pectin, honey and isabgula are carbohydrates. The next question is, phytochemical studies are well performed using which classification system? Chemical. The next question is, in dash classification system the crude drugs are classified on the basis of pharmacological action of their active constituent or their therapeutic uses. Therapeutical. The next question is, agar, isabgula and banana are drugs acting on gastrointestinal system. The next question is, ephedra and tea are used as bronchodilators. The next question is, Rauwolfia acts on which body system? Cardiovascular system. Next question is, olive oil, wool fat, beeswax, arachis oil, sesame oil, balsam of Tolu and balsam of Peru are the examples of drugs acting on skin and mucous membrane. The next question is, quassia, male fern and vidance are examples of anthelmintics. The next question is, which classification system aids in recommending substitutes of an unavailable drug? Pharmacological. Question is, dash studies involve analysis of different chemical substances present in various plant groups, collection of evidences from the results of analysis and use of evidence for classification. Chemotaxonomical. The next question is, which classification system provides a better understanding of the relationship between chemical constituents, their biosynthesis and action? Chemical. The next question is, dash is a branch of biology which deals with the nature and interaction of antigen and antibody. Serology. The answer for this question is chemotaxonomical classification, which provides a better understanding for the relationship between chemical constituents, their biosynthesis and action is chemotaxonomical, not chemical. The answer for this question, the drugs obtained directly from plant parts and contain cellular tissues is organized, not crude. Drug degradation by a substance resembling the genuine drug morphologically as well as organoleptically is termed as adulteration. The next question is dash is an admixture or substitution of genuine drug with spurious or inferior, defective, useless or harmful substances. Adulteration. The next question is dash is impairment in drugs quality. Deterioration. Next question is dash is defined as intentional type of adulteration. Sophistication. The next question is dash is addition of an entirely different substance instead of the original drug. Substitution. The next question is dash is addition of any substandard drug. Inferiority. The next question is dash is accidental addition of one object into another due to ignorance or carelessness. Admixture. The next question is dash occurs as a result of microbial attack. Spoilage. The next question is Indian senna is adulterated with Arabian senna and dog senna, so both A and B. The next question is saffron is adulterated with dried flowers of Carthamus tinctorius. The next question is beeswax is adulterated with yellow colored paraffin wax. The next question is lower plants growing on bark are used for adulterating cinchona. The next question is amber colored glass pieces for adulterating colophony. Question is evaluation of a drug involves determining its color, odor, taste, size, shape, touch, texture. Organoleptic. The next question is dash is a qualitative evaluation type in which the morphological and sensory characters of drugs are studied. Organoleptic. The next question is dash are the different forms and are used by the plants for storing food. Underground structures. The next question is a dash contains all photosynthetic organs originating from a node on a stem. Simple leaf. The next question is how many leaflets are present in compound leaf? Numerous. The next question is dash are the reproductive plant parts found in a variety of forms and also grow on the plant in different manner. Flowers. The next question is dash globular, oblong or ellipsoidal shaped plant parts having seeds are often specialized to help in seed dispersal. Fruits. The next question is fruits develop from the dash and sometimes from other flowering parts. Ovary. The next question is dash fruits develop from a single carpel or form Syncarpus gymnasium. Simple. The next question is dash fruits are categorized into dry and fleshy fruits based on whether the mesocarp is dry or fleshy. Simple. Is dash fruits develop from more than one carpel or Apocarpus gymnasium. Aggregate. The next question is dash fruits develop from numerous flowers combined together. Compound. The next question is dry fruits are further subcategorized into dehiscent and dash fruits. Indehiscent. The next question is some plant consisting of flowering structures further consist of individual flowers, thus forming inflorescence. The next question is dash develop from the ovules present in the carpel of the flower. Seeds. The next question is seeds are characterized by a scar left by the funicle called the hilum. The next question is seeds are characterized by a small hole in the ovule marking the entrance point of the pollen tube during fertilization called micropyle. The next question is seeds are characterized by vascular tissue ridge connecting the hilum and chaliza are called raphe. The next question is dash include color, smell, taste and texture of the drug being evaluated. Sensory characters. The next question is drugs containing volatile oil have a characteristic dash which will not be present if the drug lose their volatile oil content. Odor. The next question is a drug's dash depends on the nature of tissue and the method of drying it. Fracture. Is dash is the average number of stomata present in per square millimeter of leaf epidermis. Stomatal number. The next question is dash is the percentage which the number of stomata forms to the total number of epidermal cells. Stomatal index. The next question is dash is a minute epidermal opening having a central pore and two kidney-shaped card cells containing chloroplast. Stoma. The next question is stomata are absent in roots. The next question is in which of the following plant the stomata are present on both the surfaces? Senna. The next question is dash stomata have two guard cells covered with two subsidiary cells whose long axes are arranged parallelly to that of stoma. Parasitic. The next question is dash stomata have two guard cells covered with two subsidiary cells arranged at right angle to the stoma. Diacytic. The next question is dash stomata have two guard cells covered with three subsidiary cells. Anisocytic. The next question is dash stoma are surrounded by variable number of subsidiary cells. Anomymocytin. The next question is which of the following plant has anomycytic stomata? Digitalis. The next question is dash is the plant having anisocytic stomata? Datura. Next question is coca and senna leaves have dash stomata? Parasitic. The next question is dash are tubular or elongate or glandular outgrowths of epidermal cells. Trichomes. The next question is dash are water absorption or secretion organs developed in some particular plants. Hydathode. The next question is dash method is an inexpensive analytical technique used for the powdered crude drug lycopodium score. The next question is alkaloid bases are soluble in dash while alkaloid salts are soluble in polar solvents. Chloroform. The next question is dash evaluation is the chemical process of determining the active constituents in a drug. Chemical. The next question is dash is the measure of capability of sample under test to produce biological effect in comparison to the standard preparation. Bioassay. The next question is in dash method a solid nutrient medium is poured in petri plates and inoculated with a microbial culture cylinder plate. The next question is a drug's moisture content should be determined by heating it at dash in an oven up to constant weight 105 degrees Celsius. Question is optical rotation is determined using dash at 25 degrees Celsius. Sodium lamp. The next question is a surface refractive index changes with the incident light wavelength temperature and pressure. The next question is plants materials investigation for their phytochemical behavior involves which of the following stages? Procurement of raw material and quality control, in process quality control, quantitative evaluation. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is Mayer's reagent, Dragendorf's reagent, Hager's reagent and Wagner's reagent are used for detecting the presence of alkaloids. The next question is Mollis test is used for determining carbohydrates. The next question is Lieberman's and Burchard's tests are used for detecting phytosterols. The last question for this video is Milan's Burette anhydride tests are used for detecting free amino acids. For now, thank you.